Khyndiat kynta hadien bagi kynhun bapher kimi banyakhih pyrshah yaka rukom treikam juga NHIDCL haka jingpyntrei yaka surok dawki pynursla nak liang nongmihkhmat thain badai ru Symbud Myntri Rangbah Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong uong wat mauru kyrshan katei jingiakhih jong.
You know, in fact, I have already called a meeting not less than 100 times with NHIDCL. Even me, from the government side, we are not happy with the way the functioning of the NHIDCL. Again, I will call a review meeting. And I'm so happy with this, the Symbud Myntri Rangbah along with the NGOs and all. They came up and showed their protest. I think this is good. Even me, I support that. Because I've seen these people, the style of functioning is totally different. And I've seen that even recently in Assam, a lot of complaint came in from the public, the way the style of functioning of NHIDCL is now. Yeah, well, let me call again a meeting. The last meeting I will call, I'll discuss with them, and then accordingly, I will let you know.